In this video, we will learn about prompt and confirm method in JavaScript. The window object in JavaScript has three methods that generate dialog boxes, including alert, confirm, and prompt. The prompt method generates a dialog box that displays a specified question. The user is expected to answer the question by entering a value in a text control and then click OK. Or the user may also click cancel. Let's see example of prompt function. You need to type prompt and then in prompt method the message you want to display, such as what is your name, and the next argument is the empty string, which is the initial value that appears in the prompt box. We set it to empty and we are just going to run it. It will create a box for us. When we open this file in a browser, this prompt box open up and it asks what is your name. I'm just gonna enter a sim. I'm not doing anything with it. We can also save this value and print it out. Example over here, I will save in a name and then log to our console. Save it and refresh the page again. And over here, I will enter a sim and okay. Over here, I need to open the developer tools. So our message is printed in console. You can see the name printed over here. Awesome. So we got our name back. Now I comment these lines. So we are going to see the example of confirm. The confirm, we can ask the question, do you like programming? This confirm box will have a button of OK and cancel. So if the user press OK, it will return as a true. If it press cancel or just close the button with the cross sign over there, it will return as a null value. So let's see how the confirm box looks when we run it. So I just close this one. And over here you can see it's asking you a question, do you like programming? If we click OK, it should return a true. So I'm just gonna click it, and over here I'm going to save a value now in choice variable, and we can also use if condition over here. If choice, that means if choice is true, then we are going to print something over here on console.log. Great. I'm just gonna save it and run it again. Also need to open that developer tools and over refresh it again and just refresh it. Click OK, and you can see it printed great. So it returned true over here, and we can use this choice or the return value in if else condition if you want to. Now we are going to see an example of alert. The alert method displays an alert box with a specified message and an OK button. It is just an alert box. Over here you are going to call alert method and pass in some message. This is an alert box box. I will comment these so we don't need that choice box coming up. And just need this alert box. So I'm gonna save it and don't need this one now. And just refresh the page and you see this alert box. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.